Hey friends, it's a beautiful warm spring day and my daughter had a play castle here on this platform. She doesn't play with it anymore. We gifted that to somebody, but now this platform needs to go. It is rotten, it's heavy and old and just in the way. So I plan to cut this up and then I'm going to put our trampoline, which is right here, which is somewhat on unlevel ground, and I think I'm going to be moving the trampoline to this section, which will just give us a little bit more yard to play in. See? So rough. That makes the muscles tickle. Shaking.
I know.
Easy enough. All that. Now I can put all these beams up to the road. I can rake, gain some space, move the trampoline.
Trampoline.
Hello guys.
My muscles. So we moved the trampoline over from this section here to where we have it there. I attached our little slide onto it just for some added fun. In the winter time we use that for our wood. You can check out other videos about that. But in the summertime, in the spring, I just connect it to our trampoline. What can you clean up in your yard today? I cleaned up a little bit of mine. I cut up that platform and got rid of the junk and just made some extra yard play space for my kids. So get outside, clean up some stuff, and enjoy your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe.